welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to film a little bit of a makeup artist kit haul. If you didn't know, I am a freelance makeup artist. I do mainly like bridal and like proms and like that type of thing. So there was a few things that I needed to restock on for my kit, as well as a few new things that I got. So I'm excited to share with you. So one thing I have been trying to focus on is downsizing my makeup kit as far as like the amount of products I bring. So this thing I'm very excited about. A few of these palettes from Artist Kit Company, which is run by one single person, by the way. He's a makeup artist in New York City. I will leave their Instagram down below. Their shop is only open on Sundays, and read the FAQs if you have any questions. So I ordered 3 of the palettes, and then I ordered some of these mini pans to kind of put my cream foundations in. I ordered this spatula because it's magnetic. One thing that I already downsized was the Anastasia brow powder book. It's not that it's like a super big book, but it's, you know, it's a little thicker, and if I can save room and downsize this, I will. So let me show you. So it's already in 2 of these palettes, which they're so tiny, they're so thin. I have really small hands, so for me to be like this, like literally is like pretty much fits in the palm of my hand. I'll show you in comparison with the actual brow book what it looks like, so you can see. Sorry, like the glare on the light, but you could definitely see that like this is gonna save me a lot of room in my kit. The next thing I got was the Graftobian HD Cream Palette. This is the Inclusion palette. Definitely needed more like deeper complexion products in my kit. I had the RCMA one, and I'm pretty much like, I've used a lot of this already, so when I ran out of like some of the lighter shades in here, I just ordered the small Graftobian palette for my kit, but I definitely needed something a little bit more with deeper complexion products. So I did get the Inclusive one, which has a lot of deeper complexion products. It does also have like a red that you can use as a color corrector, or if you need to mix it in with another one of the cream products. I don't really use a lot of cream products often, but I like this because I can use it as concealers. I can use it as like, you know, cream contour, cream highlight. Also with the intention of depotting it into this little one, I'll be getting rid of this palette. It's older, it's probably honestly needs to just be tossed in general, and I'm just gonna replace it with the Graftobian. I think I like the Graftobian formula a little bit more than I like the RCMA. I just find it to be a little bit more creamier, and I don't know, like I just feel like I like the formula a little bit better. I also got that palette off of Camera Ready Cosmetics, which I'll link everything down below if you guys are interested. I also ordered one of the MAC Cosmetics concealer palettes. I use a lot of the MAC Pro Longwear concealers, but I wanted to get one of their cream concealer palettes in the shade Dark. So you can see, this I'm probably going to use a lot for the color correcting aspect of it, but the rest of the stuff that I got is just stuff that is to restock on. These are products I use all the time, and I was running low, so I was like, need to get them. First thing is MAC Brow Set. It's just their clear brow gel. The thing I really like with the MAC one, opposed to the Anastasia one, is this one. I can see how low I'm getting because it is a clear, it's in a clear bottle. With the Anastasia one, I would literally be doing like a client's makeup, and I would like to take like my disposable spoolie and like swirl it in there, and I'm like, oh, there's nothing left. So this one I like. I usually, if I'm pretty low on a product, I still have it in my kit, and then I'll put this in like, I have a little compartment in one of my bags where it's like almost like my backups, and I'll put this in there, and then like, you know, I'll finish that up. So replenishing product is the MAC First Response Eye Cream. This is one of my favorite eye creams. It has caffeine in it, so it kind of like helps, you know, depuff and everything on the eyes. Also, I find that since it doesn't have like a scent or anything, a lot of people don't have any issues with this eye cream, or it's an eye gel, I should say. I personally prefer eye gels to prep the skin with, because I just feel like it sinks in a little bit faster. So this is my go-to. I probably purchased like, I don't even know how many of these. Like this is so good. Last thing from MAC is the MAC Fix Plus. I still have, I feel like, a decent amount left. I have about like a half a bottle of my Fix Plus, but I was like, let me just get another one just to have a backup of it. I love Fix Plus. How I use it is I do the full face of makeup, and then after, you know, like I use like powder and everything, I just kind of like spray them down with Fix Plus just to kind of help everything like set in together. And then after it kind of like sets and I finish, you know, like their eyebrows or their lips or whatever it is, I go in with like a regular like setting spray and I spray them. But this is really not to help prolong the makeup. I really just feel like it kind of helps like melt everything in. So love Fix Plus. This is the Bioderma Hydro Bio Gel Cream. This is what I use to prep pretty much like most, I don't know if you can see it, the light is so bright. This is pretty much what I use on like most people. I find most skin types work well with this. I really like it, and it's also got like a nice little pump on it, which is great. So I was running low on this. I thought I ordered 2, but so like when I got the box, I was like, they shorted me a hydro gel cream. And then I looked at my invoice and I was like, no, I just decided to order 1. That was it for my makeup artist kit haul. It was really just replacing a lot of products, so probably wasn't like super exciting. And also we're in February, so I'm not like super busy. I do have some upcoming weddings and upcoming trials, but nothing crazy like, you know, I normally have like in the summertime. But, you know, with COVID also, a lot of things have been postponed and whatnot. So I know my channel really isn't like dedicated to makeup artistry, but if you are interested in seeing a makeup artist kit video, I do have one from like almost like 3 years ago, but my kit has totally evolved from that. Let me know if you are interested, and I will do that kind of like once I downsize some things and, you know, depot and whatnot. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!